Waratara? Waratara, look out. This grass here is nicknamed pineapple grass, Astelia alpina. We have cutting grass, Garnia grandis. All through this country there are creeks and streams under the vegetation. This is some alpine coral-fern, Glycania alpina. They're at the Old Mill Bakery in Jeeves.
Yum, look at that. Nice chicken wrap.
This species of waratah is only found in Tasmania. Through November and December is when it flowers, and then it produces a woody fruit in autumn.
Wow. Seems to be a lot of them around. Gonna go check out Ave Falls. It's a 20-minute return walk.
Beautiful melaleucas line the path.
There is water around. It's a good sign for a falls. Can you tell me?
This walk passes through a landscape shaped by fire and ice. As recently as 12,000 years ago, glaciers scoured the surrounding mountainsides. When the climate warmed, plant life followed the retreating ice into the alpine areas. The Hartz Mountains National Park is a living example of the processes of landscape formation and the constantly changing nature of plant communities.
Ah, it's very clean water. So first we'll check out Lake Esperance, and Hart's Pass, and Hart's Peak. I might give the Peak a go, I think. Should be right. Because we have just done the other walks. That should be right. Should be enough time. We're cleaning. Good. No germs. What is it?
This is pineapple grass. There are no pineapples that grow in it. It's just nicknamed that.
Want to go to Lake Esperance?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm recognising some plants from the Inala Jurassic Gardens.
What's your thoughts on this place, Nones?
It's incredible. I got some footage of these cushion plants.
Mm-hmm.
They can't take weight,
No?
but they can handle wind and ice.
Okay.
If there's weight on them, even just for a second, they'll die.
Oh wow.
Some of Australia's plant life is so fragile.
All these little rivers and creeks going underneath the boardwalk. What do you think? There's the peak up there, that's where we're going. Can't complain about the views already. Look how good they're going to be up there. Oh, let's go check it out.
Magnificent views.
See down there, there's our tracks. We came up to get here. Way down there's where our car is. We made it, Nains.
We made it!
You're distracted. Clouds coming over the mountain now. Couldn't see much with that cloud all the way up there. So what do you think of all that walking, Nones?
It was definitely worth it. Hartz Peak, if you have the chance to go and you're able. There's a bit of climbing involved, but it's beautiful views.
Absolutely. Even the lake's on the way. Oh, we've done the whole lot here now.
Yes, Lake Osborne, Lake Experience, and Hartz Peak.
And they were all awesome, but the Hartz Peak was probably the best. And yeah, it is a little bit of a difficult walk. We're buggered, so if you've got a crook knee or anything like that, I wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, if you can do it, definitely do it.
We can't drive through that.
No, trying to find a campsite. Went down a random track and it came to that. So I don't think so. So we ended up finding a little spot off the beaten track for camping tonight. It had this little fireplace that was set up. It's been a long time since someone was here. I had to prune down some of the bushes around it, but there was this little fireplace set up. Just what you saw just then is the end of the track. You can go maybe another 50 metres that way and then it's dead end. So park the car here. That's where we'll be. They're quite secluded in here. We call it the prickly campsite because there's lots of prickles. These little plants down here, they stick to your socks like crazy. I've got one on my shoe right now, I can show you. Yeah. See how they stick to you and then they just fall apart. So they would do that to animal fur as well. And then that's how they spread their seeds. Try not to walk through that, or else I'll end up with more on me. Tonight we're having potato, carrot, and some more of Snug's meat. What meat was it, Nones?
This one is a seasoned lamb.
Seasoned lamb. It's got a little butter thing on the top. Very nice. So we'll probably put that in the actual camp oven tonight and put it on the fire. How did our campfire food go? Looks alright.
Good.
Well, yeah. If we had sniff vision, you'd be able to smell that it's pretty good. Well, dinner was...
It was great.
I very much enjoyed that, Nones. The meat was cooked very well.
Thumbs up.